I'm Angie Gardner, Career Technical Education Coordinator at the West Virginia Department of Education. This is what innovation, creativity, and hands-on learning look like. We're here at the West Virginia State Capitol for the 2025 CTE Day at the Legislature. CTE Day allows students from across the state to present their CTE programs at the Capitol and share with everyone the impactful and important learning occurring in schools and CTE centers statewide. From culinary arts to coding and from agriculture to aeronautics, nearly 66,000 students are cultivating career success through CTE. CTE Day showcases the enthusiasm that occurs each day in our schools and CTE centers, where students are gaining real-world knowledge in areas such as HVAC, carpentry, communications, robotics, and so much more.
It means a lot to be able to be here and representing this. Because when I first started at a public high school, I didn't know what I was going to do. So when I found this my CTE program, it meant a lot to me to be able to start doing stuff like this. And to be here in front of the legislature, that's just a really cool experience to be able to be a part of.
To me, coming here today is huge because my goal throughout life has always been to advocate for CTE. I believe that CTE really changes lives. I had a huge economic disadvantage growing up with 2 teenage parents living in poverty, and CTE is one of the only reasons today that I feel like it's possible for me to change the fate of my family and to change my life really and the opportunities I have for education. So being able to be here today and speaking to people about what I'm so passionate about is really important to create awareness for CTE.
Me personally, when I applied for the program, I wasn't for sure what I wanted to do after high school. So I feel like any program at CTE, there's so much from like welding, electrical, medical assisting, all of that. It's such a good stepping stone to have an idea of what you want to do and kind of figure it out.
February is CTE month across the country, and the West Virginia Department of Education is proud of the work of our CTE programs and our students as they eagerly prepare for the demands of our local and national economy. To learn more about CTE and the world of opportunity it provides, visit the WVDE website at careertechwv.com.